Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, here today to talk to you about one of our fantastic kits. This is our ContainIT standard wall kit. So it's our false wall kit. So what do you get? Very simple. You get a nice carry bag, you get 4 extension poles, you get 12 clips to clip the plastic onto the poles, and you get 2 really strong zippers with a dual cutter to be able to cut the strip of plastic to be able to put the zipper in. Very simple. What you can add on to it, you can add the ceiling rails to be able to put your plastic onto the ceiling, or actually you can have these side clamps to be able to put your plastic onto the wall. So there's some add-ons for you if you want to add on, or have a look at our complete wall kit. Thanks very much for watching.